Hello and welcome back. So in today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to increase and decrease a single crochet. So let's get into it. I started off with doing a chain of 20, and I'm just going to decrease until it's about 12 or 10. So let's get into it. Remember, I told you when you're doing single crochet, you chain one. Now we have 21. You skip this one and enter the second one from where you're holding. So you skip this one and enter this one. So I'm going to keep the first row constant. So we just do the foundation row. This is a foundation chain. I'm going to do a foundation row. So this is the foundation row. Now I'm going to reduce. So you can reduce. One of the most effective ways to reduce is reduce the beginning and ending parts. You can reduce in the middle, but if you want to gradually just reduce, you can reduce on one corner, you can reduce on both ends. It all depends on you. But let's see. So you chain one and turn. So I said I'm going to reduce on both sides. So there are two ways of reducing for double crochet. If you want to reduce on one side, when you turn, you can skip this one and enter this one. But that's not what I want to do. I want it to look like very uniform. So I'm going to enter this one, first one, then enter the second one. So I have 3 on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 rather. Then continue, right till you get to the end, or 2 braids per se to the end. So what you did is you made 2 stitches here to have one head. That's basically what we did. So I'll do it again when we get to the end. So we have 2 stitches from the end. We have 1, 2, 3. So we'll do collect. We have 3. Then we make the 2 into 1. So now we're just going to the last one. Steady. I did the end like that so it doesn't it's not hard to pick when you're turning. So I'll use, let's count how many we have. Let's count how many hands we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So reduce it by 2 stitches. We go back. Now I'm just going to use, I'm going to try and show you how to use a stitch marker with this. So you can decide to keep this row constant and then decrease on the next row, but I'm just doing decreases. Another thing you can do, instead of reducing from here inside that, what we did was carry one from here, carry from here, and reduce. You can also decide to keep this one steady and reduce the next two. That's the one I'd advise the most on. So yeah, 1, 2, 3 from the end. Yeah, so I was saying about it being maybe hard to put it through this one, so we just collect. You have 3 yarn over, pull through, and then collect. Okay. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 18 minus 2 is 16. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this until I get to 10. And yeah. Okay, so now we see what it looks like with decrease. Yeah, what it looks like with decrease. See, straight, and now it's 10. So now I'm going to teach you how to increase. We'll increase it back to 20. Right now it's 10. We're going to increase it back to 20. So start by, this is increase. We'll start by chaining 1 to go to the next row. Now we'll enter this one as usual. Now the next one we'll put 2 inside, so enter, yarn over, pull through. I'm sorry, I didn't know I was doing that off camera. So this one normal. So the next one will enter, yarn over, pull through. Then we'll enter that same one, enter, yarn over, pull through. So now we have 2 heads. 2 heads inside 1 space. So you continue till we get to the end, or close to the end rather. So straight to the end. So you increase, add first one, then add the second one. You enter the last one with just 1. So from 10 now, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's increase the next row to 12. This one is constant. Next one, put 2 inside. Put the first one and top of the second one. Crochet. That's the last 2. So we're putting 2 into the second last one. And 1 inside the last one. You can see it like spreading out. It's actually very cute. So you know what it looks like. So I'll do it until it's 20 rows. Right now it's 12. So I'm increasing by 2. For the next 4 rows, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done. You can see we started from when it reduced, then increased. Yeah, so it's back to 20. We started with 20, reduced to 10, then increased from 10 back to 20. And you can see how the work is standing. Yeah, or it's folding. Yeah. I'm going to teach another way. Right here, I'm going to insert the second way. Second method you can use to make your work straight. Yeah, which we call bordering. It's use single crochet as well. So even if you're bordering in like half double crochet or double crochet, it's the same method. So what bordering basically is you go around the edges with single crochet. So we go around these edges with single crochet. What this does is it defines the shape of the object you are making and gives a neat finishing. So just so that's what it looks like before bordering, and then okay, so you chain 1 as if you're going to go for another row. But instead of going like this, you just continue, yeah, and then you put it inside this piece. And either put it here or put it on the leg of the crochet itself. So basically just put 1 into each hole by the side. So because it's single crochet, you can put 1 into each hole. Once it's like double crochet, you can put 2 or 3. 5 double crochet, yeah, so just 1 in bordering. Because for half double crochet and single crochet, you're still going to use for half double crochet and double crochet, you're still going to use single crochet to border it. Another way to hide your work is you put this behind, crochet over it. Yeah. And then you chain 1 and put right into that one that you just came out from here. Okay, so we're getting towards the end. Now one stitch from the end. Remember, this is where we started the bordering from. So you enter here. Remember, we chained one. So look at the beginning of this one. Enter here, attach with a slip stitch. So a slip stitch is actually basically this way inside the second term. Slip stitch, once you go in like this, you have to, but this second one you put it through this first one. That is a slip stitch. So let me just do it one more time. You want to attach two parts of crochet, blah blah blah, or you just want to round off bordering, you enter this last one and attach with a slip stitch. So you go into the braid yarn over, pull through. You have to pull through the second one into the first one. Then you end with a knot. And then you cut. See, now that you stretch it, it just stays. So get to hiding. And this is what you have. Single crochet. We did decrease, increase, went round with bordering, touched the slip knot, and ended. I hope this made sense, and if it doesn't, I think I'll probably drop my email. If you have any question, you can just email it to me. So yeah, see you in the next lesson.